We already moved in, but there's a big mess here. We already put some cups in these cabinets, and then we put our plates here, some teacups. These were already here. Actually, I was gonna move them to put something else, but I ended up putting everything like this for now. And then here are the mugs. I don't know where the other mugs is. Everything kind of just keeps appearing. I put the pots and pans here. There were some other ones here. Oh, I put them here. And then I just gotta organize this. Put all the things away. We're kind of gonna use these as the cans. This has a drawer. So how cool is that? And it's both of them. So that's pretty cool. And then here I'll put the utensils. I still gotta buy like a organizer. And then here, it'll kind of just be a pantry too. So yeah, stay tuned for the organization. My mom's not really a fan of the Keurig, even though she got me that Keurig, but she says that it doesn't keep the coffee hot enough. And I agree, like it's not really hot. Is there a setting? Leave me a comment on whether you're having the same issue where your Keurig doesn't keep, I mean, how can I explain this? The coffee doesn't stay hot long. Like you make it on the Keurig and then it'll get cold in like a few minutes. Like super fast. It's like warm coffee. I don't know how to explain it. But is that with everybody? Let me know. I haven't even been able to drink coffee. Looking at all the things that we have to unpack and organize makes my brain go on vacation. We got this one from Walmart, Mr. Coffee. Because again, my mom doesn't like the Keurig like that. This is my diary from when I was in middle school. I take it everywhere. It doesn't come with a filter, so we bought these ones. So let's see. Okay. It's just this. It doesn't come with the filter thing on top. So yeah, we need to get that. I think it'll work though. I feel like I'm making some, you know, progress at least. Then we'll be able to cook and everything. I feel like the kitchen is the first place. The kitchen and the bathroom is the first places you need to get organized so that you can use them. You gotta use them. I keep turning on the stove. At least the stove beeps when it turns on so that you know you turned it on by accident. This is a mix of that yellow liquid. It's called like Awesome or something like that. And I mix it with water. And I still feel like I need to put more water because it's really strong. Every time I spray it, I'm like, it does really good with removing grease and stuff like that for the kitchen.